Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another, well, not really an inspired look. I'm trying out this eyeshadow. Basically, my best friend gave me an advent calendar, which I'm very thankful for. Thank you very much. It's just, I never go for, like, other advent calendars but chocolate. You know, I have my Kinder Chocolate one, which I love so much. I was so excited because the first day of December was a surprise egg, you know. So excited. I love Kinder Chocolate. Is the only chocolate I eat, which is surprising because my dad fucking hates it. I will show you what it looks like. This is what this one looks like, right? With the makeup in. I was very excited because I never had a makeup advent calendar. This is by Zmile with a Z, and this is the quad that I want to try out today. See, blues. It's hard to read, but Zmile with a Z, and they are cruelty-free, which is nice. But I did a few swatches of these and it's not that great, to be honest. And today is December 2nd, the day I have a lipstick in, which doesn't even have a name, it's just called lipstick. Like, the color is nice, right? Totally something I would wear, but it literally smells like the cheap-ass paint you can get at the drugstore to do like Halloween makeup, you know what I mean? It smells very plasticky and I'm kind of afraid to put this on my lips. I would use it today for the video and then for a few pictures that I take afterwards, and then I will get rid of it, because with this scent I don't want to put this on my lips for longer than I have to. So while the color is nice, the scent is very off-throwing. We'll give you a few swatches. Well, a few swatches, it's only 4 shades in here, and also it doesn't have any names. It's called eyeshadow. That's it. Do this one first. This one, which is basically non-existent. White one, which is basically non-existent. This one here, this you can see. There you go. And then the darker one. They're all very crumbly, which you can see over here. Also, I have shadow all over now. As you can see, these two are not really going great, and I think my pan palette will go up before this video, so you already know what I will do with this. Like, I haven't tried them out yet, but I already know that I don't want these 2 shades here anymore. So I will get rid of them, but of course I have to keep them for my pan palette. You know, like, I want to show to you, look, these are new, but I will also get rid of them. But for now, I'm going to try these out and then see how it works. If it works, I'm not sure. But yeah, here are the swatches again. I mean, this one would be nice if it had, like it's not really a white, but it's also not a silver. It has a bunch of glitter, and this one is not existent. It looks better in the camera than it does in real life. Let's get started. I think I'm gonna use this one in my crease, then also like down below here. Then the white one for highlighter, obviously. Then these two I will mix. I try. Let's see how well they perform on the eyes. Oh my god, crumbly, crumbly, crumbly. Honestly, it's not that bad. It blends nicely, it's just so crumbly. It's unbelievable. And it's also not a dark blue, at least not in real life. It's more like basically black. Like, it's like a dark grey. But it's not that bad. Also, I should maybe add that this is the only one that's matte, from what I can tell. The others, of course, have shimmer in. It's so crumbly, my god. If you could see my desk right now, you would laugh. But okay. Blending this in. This is nice. I actually like this one. Oh god, I have a déjà vu. Or like the French call it déjà vu. Like, I feel like I've done this before. Like, maybe it was just a dream, I don't know. Okay, so I just tapped it off into the trash here. Huge pieces were falling off. I don't know from which one. I didn't really see that, but probably this. Can you see how crumbly this is? Hold on. Can you see? Can you see how crumbly this is? I think I'm gonna use this shade here, the darker shade. Okay. It's not as crumbly, but also not very firm. Okay, this eye, I actually like as well. Holy fallout. Oh my god. Just tap it on then. Okay, this is nice. I actually like these too. I really like them. Also, please let me know if you want this to be like a series on my channel, you know, where I test out the shadow. Like, where I test out very cheap eyeshadow. That would be an idea, that would be cool. I mean, I'm not mad. I'm not mad at it. Of course, it's not really matching, you know, but it's not bad. So then I just turn the brush over and then I go into... Yeah, I think it's a darker one because like the more I tap this off, the more pieces are missing. I go in with the shade here now. Okay, this is also not as crumbly. Maybe I should suck at makeup. Okay. On the eyelid, they don't look different. Granted, this has glitter in. This doesn't, but it comes down to the same shade. Let me use a bit more. Oh, you know what? I'm not mad at this. Oh my god, okay. Shit. Seems like I'm not getting rid of that one. Okay. Like, I'm actually feeling this. Okay. Although I feel like the more you wear it, the more the glitter wears off, and it's just basically just one shade. But I'm okay with this. So far. Other side as well. And I just tap that on. I'm actually not that mad. Oh my god. I thought I would hate this. I don't. Strange. Now use the other one that I just used, the darker one. And just putting that together. You know, trying to make it look nice. It's hard to tell on camera, but this is not bad looking. I mean, I still suck at blending, but it's not bad. I never thought I would say that, because this is actually nice. Fuck. Okay, so I'm just gonna clean it up. Because it has a lot of fallout, obviously. I didn't think I would like this so much. Okay, so let me very quickly do concealer. And yeah, just quickly do concealer. Also, I totally forgot to blend the shadow in, so I did that as well. Put concealer on, a bit messy because, like I said, I would put the darker one on the lash line, so it doesn't really matter that much. This can go well, but this could also go very badly. Have the darker one on here, and then just... Oh god, fallout. Oh no. I just cleaned that up. Okay. Should not have done concealer before this. I will put some mascara on now. Last time someone said that I apply mascara completely wrong. And I was like, really? Enlighten me. Come on. Like I said, I actually like this. Okay, then I go in with the last one, which is the white. Don't give me too much fallout, please. Okay. I'm actually mad at how much I like this. I'm feeling this. I mean, it looks completely messy in the camera, but in reality, it doesn't look that bad. I don't know what to do. Like, I actually want to get rid of these shadows, but now I'm just like, okay, this is not bad. It's not bad at all. Okay, wow. So I'm gonna try the lipstick as well. Oh god, I don't like this. Color is nice, but the scent and the taste. No, I don't like this. Like I said, the color is nice. That is about it. So of course, it's not really matching together at all. But I really, really like this. No, honestly, I mean, if it is a good product, I will tell you it is a good product. Like, it works fine. Okay, it's not like a Jeffree Star or Anastasia or Huda Beauty product, but it is working nicely. And I actually like it. Oh my god. actually like this. So yeah, that was it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think. Do you think this looks good or not? You know what, I actually have to keep these. All 4 of them, because they work good. Is it the best eyeshadow I've ever seen in my life? No. But it did a nice job. I actually like this eye look. I mean, from like up close it doesn't look that good probably, but far away, for afar like this, it doesn't look that bad. So let me know again what you think. Have you heard of Zmile before? And let me know if you want to like a series of this, like testing cheap makeup. I would be into that, but I get a headache now. Oh no, okay, so if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel already, and I'll see you next video. Bye. Can you see my dog there? Hold on. Oh, and no, okay. Oh, oh my god, what does he do? I just put concealer on. Maybe I should walk around like this without concealer. Last time someone said, "What, I have something in my eye now."